we are making the second question, in which you are given with the pentagonal pyramid. uh, One of its side is perpendicular to VP, so we are making this position, and then we will make the isometric for that. Okay, first you need to draw a straight line for XY, then you need to make a line 30 mm, this dimension is 30 mm. Now you need to make a 108 degree angles by using the compass. This is 90, this is 100, and this is 110, and you need to make 2 less than 110. Same here, you need to make 108 degree angle, and that would be this position. Now take a scale and join only 30 mm line, because its length of the base is only 30 mm. Make sure that your angles are exact, so that you will get the proper pentagon. Okay, put a compass over here and measure 30 mm and make an arc over here. Put compass over here and cut this previous arc and join it. Join it, and you will see it would be a perfect pentagon. So in order to find out the center of this pyramid, you can take the perpendicular from this side. And you can also take the perpendicular from this side. Wherever they meet will give you the center of the pyramid. So this would be your center. So now you can join it. You can darken the edges of the pyramid like this. You need to darken the edges like this. So you will get a perfect pyramid shape. Now in order to find out the height, you need to make a center line over here. Okay, so this would be your extreme ends. Now you can take a small scale and make a height whatsoever it is given as 70, so you should take the height as 70. 70 is little bit more, like this. I need to join this length with this, and this length also. It would not be equal, it would be definitely different length because it's a pentagon. And you need to see this edge is also visible from the front side. You need to take the point and join this edge also. You will see the edge. Now this is your pyramid with having height of 70. Now we are completed with the orthographic view. Now next would be your isometric view. You need to we are making small changes in this pyramid. Instead of taking this side on the left, we need to take this side on the right, like you can see in this figure. First I will draw it, then I will let you know what I am saying. But the benefit is that you can see the lateral edges clearly. So first of all, make a mark over here, then make 30 degree, then you can use the drafter, because if you had a very good drafter, then you don't need a D also. Now you need to close this pyramid in a box. We are going to close this pyramid in a box like this. And what's the reason behind that, I will let you know. Like, you need to write it here: A B C D E F G H. Write all the corners, G H K. Okay, write all the corners over here. So we are rotating this, so you will get this AB over here. So write it, make the length, take the length and mark over here, over there. This is AB, mark over there AB. This is AB. Okay, now in this side, in this side, this is BC. This is, if this is A and this is B, then this is D. So you can take this length on the side, on this side, AD. Okay, now you should make a vertical lines. Like this. This is what a vertical line over here. Now make a parallel lines by using your drafter, and you should check it every time that everything must be parallel. Everything must be parallel. So as we have written, this is our A and this is our B. This is our D. Then find out what are the values of A and D. You can see there is a point which is E. You should mark over here. It is near about A, so you should mark over here. This is E. You can directly copy this point over here. Now for the point K, you should mark this K from this point. This is our K, this is our E, this is our K. Now you should put your scale over this place and mark this point as F, because E is opposite to the F. Now what is G and H? Near the D you will find H. So we will take near the D you will find H, and near the C you will find G. You mark all the points. Okay, by marking all the points, you just need to join these points. You need to darken these points. You need to darken the base, and for doing that, I would say you need to mark the center also. To find out the position of the center, we just make this distance. We need to find out this distance from B. We are taking from B. From B it is this much of distance. From B it is away from F and this much of distance. So it is the central position. So you should, I am making the helping line in red mark. Like this is our helping line, and for this side this would be your center. It could not be the same. It is slightly away from the front line. So what is the distance? The distance of the height is 70 mm. It's the axis, so it should not be darkened. So you should take the height from the center. It is 70 mm. Now you should join every corner with this line, and the position of the corner will tell you what exactly you need to make it dark or light. Like this is dark, this would be your visible edges. This would be your visible edges. This would be your visible edges. And now you can see, you can also join this because it's a pentagon. You need to join the base. So this would be your pentagonal prism. Now you can also join the last edge, but that would be your light. That should be light. And you can also make it join with the upper part, but that would again be light. So this would be your pentagonal prism. Now remember all this point, and it has to be in reverse position. Like you can make this side on this side by marking this DC here, but I had made in this position because you can clearly see all these edges. But if this line is on this side, you may not see all these figures, all these edges. So that's why. Now you should also make the dimensions. The base edge is 30 mm, then you can give the dimension like this. The height of the pyramid is 70 mm. You can give the height over here. This would be your 70 mm height. So now this is complete answer.